Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to create an account on Duolingo if you want to learn new languages from all around the globe in an easy way. Duolingo is the perfect app to learn all of those. So at first, you must go into your Duolingo app, and after you are there, you'll see if you are new to Duolingo, you click on this, and if you already have an account, you click on I already have an account. So I'm going to teach you guys how to create an account. So you must obviously go into new to Duolingo because we don't have an account as of now. And when you go there, they'll ask which language you want to learn. There are various options to choose from, such as Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, and any one you'd like. You can see here, and there is even an option for more is right down there. I'll click Spanish as of now, and you go to continue. So they'll set up for a few minutes, and you'll learn few apps or few words about it, and they'll ask for some things. You just tell them what you are good at, if you are a beginner in the language or if you know some of the bits of the language, and you tell them why are you learning this language. So there are some things. So you click on continue. What's your goal? So this is the main part. You set your goal right here, and they'll remind you every day. So this is the casual 3 minutes a day, regular 10 minutes a day, serious 15 minutes a day, and intense 30 minutes a day. So you can choose from any one of these how many minutes you want to practice per day. You can even practice more than the minute or the goal that you set. And I'll just set this as of now. So if you already know some of the language that you're speaking, you click on here, and if you don't know, you click on the top one. So here we go. And if you want to start the test so that they can accurate or they can analyze how much of the language you know, you click on start test or you click on cancel. If you click on cancel, the page will go back, so you obviously need to click on start test, and the test will start, and your account will be created in few minutes after this. So they'll know how much you are good at the language or how much you are not good or you're bad at the language, and they'll set up the practice as of that. So I believe I've taught you guys how to create an account on Duolingo, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.